Yes, dear students, now we are going to see the eighth exercise now. Methyl verb suivant au présent. Put the following verbs in present tense. Present tense you already know. In 11th standard you are very well about the present tense. But you must check whether it is regular or irregular. Ending in ER, RE and IR. According to that you must present the answer here. Suppose you forgot, you just go through the tenses in 11th standard last 4 pages. Grammar tenses is given there. That you just go through. Okay. 11th standard book it is. The present tense conjugations is really very easy. You must thorough that, otherwise it is very difficult. Okay. So just before conjugations you must check the subject also, then only it is easy for you to conjugate, otherwise it is very difficult. According to the subject, if it is lo or la, lo masculine singular, la feminine singular, that is according to that you must check and conjugate the present verb. First one, le voleur pillait le bijou. The robber is looting or stealing the jewels. Here, subject le voleur, masculine singular. Object is le bijou, the jewelries. In between, you have to put the verb in present tense. It is ending in ER, no problem. Regular verb, it is PA, PILLE. Subject is le. According to that, it is ill, singular, ill form subject. So it is plural, PILLE. Okay. So it's a remaining word, everything is in the infinitive form is given there. You just remove ER and add E. It is regular verb. Okay, present tense. Subject is lu. It's masculine singular. So only single person, so its spelling will come like that. Okay. Second one. La foule courait pour attraper le voleur. Courait, to run. The crowd is running to catch the robber. Le foule, its feminine form. Pour attraper le couleur. Courir. Courir is you have to change. It is not regular verb. It is irregular verb. Subject, according to the subject, la is given. Feminine singular. So you must conjugate according to the feminine singular. It is al, E-L-L-E. So cool. C-O-U-R-T. The spelling you must check. Okay. Regular verb, no problem. Third one. Elle perd beaucoup de temps à regarder la télé. She take lot of time to watch the television. She spending or she wasting. She, al, E-L-L, al, is the subject. Remaining things is no problem. So according to the subject, you have to change and write the spelling in the given values, given verb. Okay. It is ending regular RE verb. Al. According to the subject of RE verb of al, that's no problem. Remove RE. PARD. So ending in RR, regular, no problem. You just remove RE. Okay. Fourth one. Le chef contour de la voiture to Vestas. The driver is driving the car at high speed. Le kufa. Le masculine singular. That you must see. Verb in between this sentence. Contour. Contour is not a regular RE verb. it is irregular. Le chauffin is masculine singular, so the spelling will come conduit. Conduit. Masculine singular. Il. Fifth one. Le moi appelle une ambulance pour ambulancer à l'hôpital. The one is the witness for accident, for calling the ambulance to take the wounded persons to the hospital. It is in the sentence, is given in your lesson. Okay. So you must write according to the subject. Le, appeler. Appeler verb you know very well, to call. It's you must add on more l because it is irregular verb. Appeler, it is irregular verb, so you have to add one more l. Regular e verb you have to add e in the end. La is masculine. Okay. 2l you have to present, that you remember. It is because it is irregular. So go through once again. What are the verb is regular and irregular. Infinitive form is no problem. You must remember and add one more l, otherwise the answer will become wrong. Okay, ma? And see here, go through it, recollect it. Recollect, and if you have any doubt, you call me, or through WhatsApp you can ask the doubt. Thank you. Thank you, girls.